welcome back to the channel. So for this one we're going to do Little Miss Sunshine cold brew with lemonade. So we have a strainer, we have the cup I'm going to pour it in.
I just made a hot version.
Yeah, and then we have 3 litres of lemonade. So I'm going to take a spoonful. Yeah, I'll be
Okay.
putting the strainer in first. Then you pour the.
Oh, you put one in first?
No.
I did it the other way. No, I'm doing it.
Then I'm going to pour in
That way I take more water with the hot version now. You do it that way, do you?
the lemonade
Lemonade.
over. I'm going to put the lemonade over. And
What the
then,
hell is that? What that notification?
then I'm going to let this brew for
1 minute.
a few minutes too. I've had the timer on for
4 minutes.
4 minutes. And I'm gonna put the brew packet and then screw the lid on, give it a mix.
Did it? Okay. Should have been thinking of
That is.
that didn't take guy. Oh my god. That is better than the hot brew. Take care. Which one do you prefer? Hot or cold brew? What should I do? Ridiculous. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Bye. That's nice, yeah. That is nice.